Twig's unique mind map interface makes navigation easy. Simply click to explore. The larger central nodes are curriculum films. These contain core learning. The smaller nodes that branch out are context films. Context films focus on specific, real-world examples. The info icon toggles a short description. Once at the film page, simply click the image to start viewing. The film controls are located at the bottom of the player. These allow you to view the film in another available language, change the bitrate to suit the speed of your internet connection, change the on-screen caption language, and alter the screen size. You can also access the Twig website in another language. The drop-down menu will indicate which languages are available to you. The film page also provides more detail on the film's content, including a full downloadable transcript. You can also find related films here, and our science glossary. Use this button to share or embed our films. The film page also gives you access to our support materials. Here you'll find printable topic overviews and extension questions, as well as quizzes and stunning images to download or use in your classroom. You can search for films using keywords. The larger nodes displayed are films most relevant to your search. There's a list view option if you prefer. You can also search for films by curriculum. If you ever need to return home, simply click the Twig logo. We hope you enjoy teaching with Twig. We'd love to know how you get on.